announcement of what you're listening to. This is
Dancehall Jams. You don't know in everlasting blazing the fire. Claim the best in dancehall and reggae music 24/7. Log on to dancehallJams.com. Judgment Yard, sir.
Thank you, Sizzla Kalonji. This is Dancehall Jams live on Jamaicans.com or Jamaicans.com Facebook page. So this is Dancehall Jams live on Jamaicans.com. And once again, we're here. I got another artist guest for you this time around. I want to thank everybody that tuned in the first time because we did it as a surprise. We're doing it again as a surprise. So big up to Joanne Marie and the whole crew. Right now, I've got to my right a gentleman who performed on the big show that just went by here in Miami. I think you guys might have heard of it. It's called Best of the Best. What do you mean? Best of the Best. And the one and only Zeal is to my right. Zeal, welcome, brother.
Appreciate you. Thank you for inviting.
Yes, King, I did invite you after the performance and our conversation and everything like that. I like the vibe that you're on. I like what you're doing. So give me just a second. Let me make sure that people are logging in before we really get into the conversation here.
Yes, we want you to log in, people.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's get live.
All right. Let me get on the page, make sure everything is running smooth. Yes, ma'am, we're live.
There we go.
All right. Angle is kind of different this time. Let me see if I can fix that even a little bit. It's pointing up to the sky. Oh, I'll get myself in a picture. Yeah. Yes, don't tune out. Stay locked. Share this with a friend. We're going live.
We going live right now.
Don't give them too much, Zeal. Not yet. Don't give them too much.
Yes.
Give them a chance. Give them a chance. Give them a chance, sir. See how we look. Is that better? Is that worse? All right. A little bit more to this direction, and I got you. I think that's it. All right. So again, Jamaicans.com. Thank you for tuning in. This is Dancehall Jams Live. I have my special guest here, straight off of Best of the Best. So if you came out to Best of the Best and you're one of those patrons that came from early, then you might have seen this man's performance. And if you didn't, we got a treat for you today. We're going to make him touch the microphone. This is Haitian American reggae, R&B, and compa sensation coming to you live. Mr. Zeal, wagwan, my brother.
Bless. Pleasure to be here, man. Doing good. Good to see you again, by the way.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
Away from the crowd.
Away from the crowd, or in front of the crowd, same time.
Yes.
Away and in front. And, you gave such a great performance. You left your impression on me, and I said, you know what? I've got to give this guy some coverage. I've got to give this youth an opportunity to get in front of the people because you have such a great voice, and not only that, the energy in your performance and the messages in your songs were really, really, really good. And I think they were really well received by everyone that was in attendance. So, I wanted to have the opportunity to share that with a few more people here. How did you get into making this combination of reggae, compa, R&B, and putting it all together into one thing?
First of all, just the fact that I was born and raised in Haiti. It's kind of like I was born and raised with reggae, or the natural way of living. So coming to America, I could have turned around and accept the way of the American ways, but instead I decided to still stick with my culture. And as I got into music, I turned around and sing R&B just like a straight American person, but at the end of the day, my accent wouldn't go away. So I decided to put it to work with the talent. So I merged it in, and every time I try to hide it, I always get that one person that say, "Oh man, you got a nice accent." So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and do reggae too, because I love listening to reggae, and that's how I really, really got into it.
That's good, because hearing that reggae influence in the music, it made sense for you to be on that particular stage. And in Miami, of course, where we have this mixture of Haitian culture, Jamaican culture, Bahamian culture, and all the other Caribbean cultures that are here, Cuban culture, Puerto Rican, Dominican, and all of these other folks, having somebody that's not from Jamaica but really go up on a Jamaican stage. You know, that's really a Jamaican stage, best of the best, even though it's changed throughout the years, but it's coming back to its identity. You stepped up there and represented for all the Haitians in the crowd,
Yes.
but you still gave the Jamaicans a piece of what we love.
There we go. And I'm glad you say that second part, because it wasn't just really to my culture or my people. It was really just for just the people of music. One nation, one love. I'm not just saying it just because that's the phrase in the reggae culture, but it's because that's what it is for real. I bought music. That's why I keep the faith. You said about the message. That's what I'm talking about. I bring you a message, you know, to basically keep us in one tune.
Zeal? So it's about, to you, it's about unity, and it's about bringing people together.
Right now, love and unity.
Love and unity. Well, that's really what the soul and heart of reggae music is. So you're in tune to it, you're in tap, you're not just one of these people that just comes in and uses our style and uses, you actually really have the heart for it. So I love that about you, and it really did come across in your music. So, you know, you left me with that impression. So I'm glad to have you here, brother. Glad to have you here. So you're going to get into a couple of songs in just a second here. But tell me, when did you come here from Haiti? Or?
Yes, I was born in